Wow, this is one of my favorite places. We're now in a place called Noosa Beach in the Sunshine Coast in Australia. This is certainly my favorite place in Australia, so far from home, but me and Easy are home to each other. Here we are with some new friends from this side of the world enjoying these places we never thought we'd visited in our lifetimes. So far after living in New York, we drove south, hang out with Crocs, took a couple of flights, then tried boarding in the white sands of New Mexico. We paddleboard in shark-infested waters in San Diego, had some issues closing our luggage, and took a couple long rides to get to Japan. In this episode, we explored the warmth of Kyoto and its cultural essence. And what a better way to start this trip than to enjoy some of Japan's finest delicacies in the bullet train. This is a quiet car, so it can't be too loud.
おご注意ください。またお降りの時は足元にも十分ご注意ください。ご乗車ありがとうございます。219 bound for Osaka. The Japan Rail Pass is not valid on this train. A special ticket for Nozomi is required.
We took the Shinkansen train from Tokyo Station to Kyoto Station and paid $179 US dollars for 2 tickets. Before boarding the train, we bought snacks for the trip and realized the food is so good. Many people go to the train station only to have breakfast or lunch or to grab a snack. We bought cold and warm food from different vendors in the food concourse, and let me tell you that it is definitely worth it. In fact, I would say that we ran short of food. We should have gone way more than we did. So highly recommend doing so, but make sure you give yourself at least 40 to 60 minutes prior to your scheduled train to explore all of the options. Hey guys, we're back here, a little tired. We just got to Kyoto today. It was a nice journey on the train.
Bullet train.
It was going really fast. If I had to explain it to somebody, my thoughts during the ride were that it feels like when you're about to take off from a flight, but you don't take off, you just keep going straight. That's how it feels. Or when you're landing. When you're landing and there's just no brakes. So you just flying through city by city. It took us 2.5 hours to get from
2
Tokyo
hours
to
and
here.
15 minutes.
Yeah, so we made it. We're happy to do that. That was on the bucket list.
Yeah.
That was part of the bucket list of the year project. Let me see. So yeah, so what you see around behind us and in front of us is Kyoto. We've been very surprised of how much tourism Kyoto has. We've probably seen 80% of the people here are tourists, at least in the area where we're staying. So it's been interesting to compare it. When you compare it to Tokyo.
Yeah, I feel like in Tokyo, there's probably a lot of tourists, but you don't know, maybe you don't notice because there's just so many locals and it's
so
just
many
so
people.
crowded, so busy, but you definitely feel like you stand out a lot more in Tokyo, but here, just a lot of tourists.
Yeah, it doesn't feel as overwhelming as Tokyo, but yeah, lots and lots of tourists. We're two amongst them.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is Kyoto. Hey guys, so today we decided to visit Fushimi Inari. It's a special place full of shrines here in Kyoto. We decided to hike up the mountain. Not too many people do that, and understandably. It's like probably a 40-minute hike. Tough. We made it to the top. Me and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like up here. The shrines. Take a look. Hey, now we're together. We're matching colors.
Oh, did you do that on purpose?
Yeah. She told me to wear something cute. So I wore no undies.
Oh my god.
Hey. Hey guys, we're here back in. Don't talk. Just video.
Hello, Mr. Camilo. What is it? Yeah. Well, uh-oh. Pretending I don't know him.
Hey, we're back. What's the name of this market? Nashiri?
Nishiki.
We're in Nashiki Market. It's designed for tourists, but here we are as tourists. We're paying the price for being tourists. Trying delicious food, delicious desserts, fishy breads, fishy ice creams. Smells fishy. They have a little bit of everything. It's excellent. Let me show you guys a little bit of the markets, what the markets look like. Isa, so what do you want to have for lunch?
I'm kind of craving some matcha.
Or what about dinner?
Also matcha.
Okay. I think I'm craving sushi or something like that, something savory. But we just have to make sure we leave enough space, right? So make sure you don't finish all of this. You had to get the biggest one, didn't you?
Yeah, that was all me.
Plus matcha latte and a matcha tiramisu. Good job, B.
Are you happy right now?
I have to finish what you left over.
Lies.
It's not that sweet.
You want to put some sugar in it?
I'm gonna go deep. It's like Rice Krispies. We found a place that's breathtaking and really beautiful. It looks like very old facades, very old buildings, but pretty well conserved. And just wanted to share what we're looking at in our experience here in Kyoto. So I'm gonna be sharing some of our walkthroughs. Let's go. Excuse me.
Nhưng mà cái đó phải ban ngày chứ ban đêm.
The street looks like when Wolverine gets ambushed in the Wolverine movie, doesn't it? Starbucks. Arigato. Ran into this guy. It's the Love Hotel. Looks like the lights on. And these are the rates. Probably per hour. Now we're in Potocho Alley. How you liking it, E?
It's nice.
It's literally an alley right next to the river. Tons of places. Cute little tourist trap. Looks really dark, but it's only 6:30 p.m.
Ouais, c'est très complémentaire. Ouais, ouais. Je vais utiliser le bon mot.
We continued indulging with traditional Japanese cuisine style dishes as much as we could, as this is an important research in our travels. Hey E, how you feeling?
I'm feeling a little sick today, a little under the weather. I think not sleeping enough is catching up with me and being surrounded by so many people. So we're supposed to go to the Golden Temple this morning, but we're just gonna go to a cafe and have a slow morning instead. So I'm grateful to my sweetie for being sweet with me and being down to just have a slow morning, because I think I definitely need it.
Yeah, we're gonna go to a cafe. because we entered this raffle and we won 2 coffees. No, just kidding. We posted something about the hotel and we won 2 teas.
Yeah.
King
that'll
tea
be good.
apparently is very
Isn't it
special
famous here.
here in Japan, here in Kyoto. So we'll be doing that right now, doing some research and perhaps doing some vlogging and video content for you guys here in Kyoto.
Like a nice sleepy morning. It's interesting because in Kyoto, I feel like when we first got here, we walked through these like really quiet, cute streets. But then we're also like right next to, or I guess right in the downtown area. So then when you go to those streets, it's like so busy. There's so many people, so many tourists like us, a lot of like big tour groups, and so it can get a little bit overwhelming, at least for what we expected. I mean, Tokyo is like obviously like 10 times more busy of people, but you kind of feel like you're just part of the city, whereas here I feel like I keep wanting to feel those like small street, cute little like chiller vibes. And sometimes we'll walk to a certain street and it's just like tour groups and everything's, you know, written to like attract tourists. So it's a different feel.
We'll be leaving some tips, some comments so that you guys can follow if you guys are ever in Kyoto or Tokyo and it doesn't get overwhelming making a decision, because with so many options it could be hard to make a decision, but we'll leave you our tips, our recommendations.
We didn't get to do a ton while we were here. We only had a few days. We were supposed to have 3 nights, but our flight to Vietnam is early in the morning, and we weren't sure if we were going to be able to get there early enough from Kyoto, because the airport's in Osaka. The trains don't run 24 hours here, so it was a little tight, so we decided to just do one last night in Kyoto and stay in Osaka one night. So it was easier to get to the airport in the morning.
Yeah. So we'll continue our journey here for now, and then we'll create some content for Osaka as much as we can.
This way?
Given our short time in Kyoto and our schedule, we did not have enough time to explore gyms or workout studios, and also we realized a little too late that there was this beautiful scenic path to run parallel to the river without having to go around people or traffic lights. We totally recommend it as we saw local people running. We will definitely go for a run on our next visit. Please don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps us a lot. Thank you for tuning in, and until the next one.